The Amazon Office Desk Chair. Welcome to another Femitech video tutorial. For this video, I will be looking at the Amazon Commercial Ergonomic Executive Office Desk Chair. I will be giving you 5 reasons why you need to buy one. 1. It is unique for all types of environment, whether at home or your office at work. 2. If you are someone who loves leather, then you will love this chair. This cream leather is a game changer from the usual black leather which is standard for making chair. The cream color gives the chair a rich and expensive look. 3. For those persons who really love to play games for extended period of time or work for long hours, this is the right chair for you, as it comes with cushions that will give you the much needed comfort. 4. Its flip-up arm feature will give you more options as to which position to keep your arms as it can adjust to different height. 5. This chair is really durable as it comes with a 5-point metallic finished base, high-quality leather and 4 strong wheels for those heavy persons. Gentle people, it is now time you go and get yours now. Click the link to learn more about this chair. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and share the video. Do not forget to click that subscription button.